Hey guys, Mark McMahon Real Estate. A 1-minute overview of our latest project. It'll last more than a minute, but stick with it. All right, this courtyard here, we're gonna take everything out that's dirty. We're gonna put in mulch. We're gonna put in a couple plants. It's gonna be gorgeous. All right, do light fixture. Take off this screen, I hate that. I like this fireplace, I don't like the color. We're gonna paint the inside black and probably leave it the way it is, all right? That light fixture right there is gonna be black. That light fixture is gonna get painted black. All this acoustic ceiling up here, this nasty crap, it's all coming down throughout the entire house. We'll remud it, we'll paint it, make it look beautiful. The whole walls are all gonna be white. We're gonna paint this handrail black. We are going to come into the kitchen right now. This counter is gonna get replaced with granite. This counter is gonna get replaced with granite. This counter is gonna get replaced with granite. Yes, we're gonna do it. This thing's gonna get replaced with stainless steel, new faucet, new garbage disposal, replace that plywood, new dishwasher, new stove, new microwave. This is where a trash compactor was. I'm gonna put a cute curtain across here. Nice. Taking this out, we're gonna put can lights up there. We're gonna keep these floors. You know why? Because paid for. All right, light fixtures here are good. Oh, by the way, all new switches and plugs because they look gorgeous. New doorknobs. We're going to use oil bronze probably for all this. Looks sweet. All right. Ah! Bathroom. We're going to keep the kitchen? We're going to keep the bathroom counters here. We have a fart fan there. We're going to keep that. We're probably going to keep this, probably because I want to. Doesn't matter. Probably keep the mirror. New faucet, clean this, new toilet, keep the floors, new door handle. Done. Somebody's calling me. All right, in the garage. We're gonna wash the car. No, I'm joking. We're not gonna wash the car. We're gonna get rid of it. So, we're just gonna clean out here. That is working just fine, the water heater is, so we're gonna keep it even though it's older. The new buyer may ask for us to replace it. They may not, depending on how frothy the market is, which is pretty frothy right now. So we'll just clean up out here. Probably wouldn't even paint. New doorknob. All right, shall we go upstairs? Curtains come down. All new carpet. Don't forget we're gonna paint these. Scrape the ceilings. Paint the cabinets. New doorknobs. Take out the curtains, because they're oh so ugly. Scrape the ceilings in here. We're gonna keep this. We're gonna paint that. Okay? Let's turn some lights on, shall we? There we go. All right, new toilet. We'll take this out. We'll put a curtain across here. Clean this really good. All new faucets. Called a trim set. We'll change that out. Like I said, new toilet, new floor. Closet's fine. What are closets for? Come on, keep up. Let's go. Come on. All right, this room, scrape the ceilings, get rid of the curtains, doorknobs. Closet doors are good. Closets are great. You know, my wife gives me about this much room in the closet. That's where my t-shirts go. All right, in here, we have another bathroom. So we'll clean this, we'll paint this. Yes, we're going to clean this too. We'll take this out, new shower, new trim set, new toilet, voila, and new floors. We'll put LVP in here, which I love LVP. I love that kind of floor. And new carpet. That's it, guys. That's it. This project will be done in probably about 7 to 10 days. Could do it quicker, but I figure that's about what it's going to take. I'm looking at probably $15,000 to $17,000. Might sound expensive to you, might sound cheap to you. Don't know, but that's about what it's going to cost to get it done by someone that knows what they're doing, and they're going to get it done quick. I'll have it back on the market in 2 weeks. We'll close in about a week, and we'll move on to the next one. So thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye. Hey guys, check out these 2 videos. They're really going to help you on your investment journey. I'm also on Instagram, Tons of great video content there. Really good stuff. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.